What makes a woman feel beautiful?
It's an unstoppable energy from deep inside. What makes a woman feel beautiful?
It's about her presence. A radiance that shines deep inside. Je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi.
What makes a woman feel beautiful?
It's a freshness, illuminating from within.
A je ne sais quoi.
What makes a woman feel beautiful?
It's an elegance that glows from within.
A je ne sais quoi.
A je ne sais quoi. A youthful aura.
Youthful aura. Youthful aura.
A youthful aura.
Advanced Génifique, the legendary serum, patented until 2029, exclusively by Lancome.